Okay, so several volcanoes later, I'm coming back to do about what concentration is and the sums you have to do. So you have to know that concentration, yep, that's the mass of the solute in grams, and we are going to divide that by the volume of the solution, and that is in decimeters cubed. Okay, so that's how we calculate concentration. 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 litre, which is also equal to 1,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, a decimetre, okay, so normally a decimetre would be 10 centimetres. Okay, so you'd think that a decimetre cubed should be 10 centimetres cubed. No, because it's cubed, what we have is we have 10 centimetres cubed, 10 centimetres cubed. Sorry, put the C in the wrong place there. That didn't work too well. Okay, so that would give us an area. Okay, so that would, but that wouldn't be 10 centimetres, sorry, why have I put the cubed on there? So 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres, okay, that would be 10 centimetres squared, which would actually be 100 centimetres squared because it's 10 by 10. So you'd have 100, if you split it up, you'd have 100 little centimetres in there. And now, because we want volume, yeah, we've also got 10 centimetres going back too. So not going to draw them all in. Okay, so 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. Centimetres times centimetres times centimetres equals centimetres cubed. Okay, so that's why a decimetre cubed is 1,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, most of the time you will be given the solution in decimeters cubed. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get it in centimeters cubed. So if I told you that I had 100 centimeters cubed of a solution, I would divide that by 1,000 to get me 0.1 decimeter cubed. Okay. 20 centimetres cubed, divide that by 1,000, get 0.02 decimeters cubed. Okay, so that's what you need to be able to do. Usually in the standard paper, you are given everything in decimeters cubed, but I don't want to say that will definitely happen. Okay, so let's do an example. I've got 20 grams of sodium chloride, and I've got that in 2 decimeters cubed of solution. Okay, so how am I going to figure that out? Well, I know that concentration is my mass divided by my volume. So concentration equals mass in grams over volume in decimeters cubed, which is equal to 20 grams in 2 decimeters cubed, which is equal to 10 grams per decimeter cubed. And once again, really nicely, our units here are figured out in our calculation here. Okay, so we're taking our units to being our, we're taking our units to be from our calculation. Okay. Next one is, say I have 0.5218 grams of sodium hydroxide, and I have that in 250 centimetres cubed of solution. Right, so first of all, I have to convert that, so 250 divided by 1,000 equals 0.25 decimeters cubed. That would always be worth 1 mark. So just dividing by 1,000 is worth a mark. If you get stuck in the exam and it's in centimeters cubed, divide it by 1,000. That's your mark. Sorted. Concentration. Okay, so we've got 0.5218. We're going to divide that by 0.25, and that gets us roughly 2 grams per decimeter cubed. And again, if you've put your units in, grams per decimeter cubed, grams divided by decimeter cubed. Okay, that's all you need to be able to do. Higher paper, the only part where it gets hard is you've got to write it in standard form. So instead of writing 2 divided by decimeters cubed, so 2 grams divided by decimeters cubed, you would do 2 grams dm minus 3. That's standard form, and that the minus just means divide it by. There is one of the questions that I'm going to ask you to do, which means that you need to rearrange the equation. So it's magic triangle time. We've got mass at the top, always mass at the top, and we've got concentration and volume. And there's my magic triangle. So if you want to figure out the mass that you need, so I want, for example, a 2 grams per litre solution, and I want it in 1 litre. Hide the mass. So I have 2 times 1, which would give me 2 grams. Bam, my mass is 2 grams. Again, if I want to calculate the volume, I've got 20 grams in a 20 grams per decimeter cubed. So what's my volume going to be? 20 divided by 20 is 1. Okay, so remember your magic triangle. Happy days. 3 questions to do that I have set you. I've also given you a little piece from a textbook, so you should be able to do that really easily. Take care, Year 10. Look after yourselves, stay safe, stay isolated, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all nice and healthy very soon. Bye.